Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you how to configure a fiber channel host bus adapter on an OpenVMS system. So I have logged in into an OpenVMS system which is running 8.4 kernel. You can see this is an OpenVMS system which is having 8.4 kernel. So on this I have actually connected a fiber channel device which is basically a QLogic card. So VMS are represented by the device name FG. You can see that there are two devices in this system, FGA and FGB. So if you want to know more details about these devices, you can type the command with the full qualifier. The full qualifier details you all the information about what kind of a vendor this fiber channel belongs to and the state of the device. So the state of the device is online. This means the device is claimed by a fiber channel driver which is part of the 8.4 kernel, and the device has come online and ready to be connected. So once you have this information ready, how do you figure out if this device is really connected to the SAN or not? There is a tool called as SDA in OpenVMS. This is the command to open the SDA, the system device analyzer. You want to analyze the system and figure out if this device is connected to the fiber channel SAN or not. So there is an extension. There are extensions that belongs to this SDA. There is an extension called as a fiber channel extension. This fiber channel SDA extension provides you a lot of details from the fiber channel device perspective, and it allows us to diagnose any of the issues that are there in fiber channel device. Once the fiber channel device is connected on to the system and we have made sure that the cable is connected to the fiber channel SAN and all the related fiber channel zoning and all is done, once those all things are done, we need to come back to the device and see if the device has come online. So in this there is a command called as fiber channel show device. So this device, if you don't give the device name, whatever is the first discovered device, which is FGA, it will take that device and show us all the statistics of that device. So what you see over here is the static information that is coming from the fiber channel device, the device ID, and then the driver that it belongs to, and the date and the time which is linked against. This is going to be helpful when you are actually providing more details to the engineering community about the problems that you are seeing. And this is the port ID which actually gets assigned to this particular port once the fiber channel login is done. So the important field that you want to notice over here is the link state. This indicates that the link is up, fiber channel device is up and online. So the other thing to notice over here is if the device is online, actually you want to make sure that it is able to log in into the switch. So the ns command, which is the name server of the switch, it shows all the devices that are visible to the are part of this particular device zone. So there are 4 devices that you can see over here. The device string itself gives a first level of information about what all devices are the ports that are visible to this particular fiber channel HPA. So if I want to know more details of whether my login has gone through successful or not, I would probably see the port details. There is a command called as fc show stdt. So the STDT is basically the port descriptor table and the target descriptor table. So the port descriptor is basically the FGA device. This port, how many targets it's able to see, that is what is listed over here. These all are the unique target IDs that gets assigned. So these targets are nothing but the target ports on the storage side which are able to log in into this particular device. So the other level of details that we can see is basically to the address. When you do the FC show address table, it allows us to tell whether this device is logged in into a particular port or not. So the lid of 0 indicates that this device is mostly an HPA. In the name server you might have seen. The other devices are the target devices, and you can see the state of this device, specifically the the login state. This is one of the Fiber Channel states which indicates that the connection is formed and the process login has been completed and it's ready to send the IOs. So this concludes the demo, which shows us what all details need to be captured or looked for when the device is online or not. Thank you.